Hello everybody and welcome to Wixpa Google Shopping feed. In this video, we are going to talk about Merchant Center account suspension due to misrepresentation issue, and we will also discuss how to resolve this issue. You can see this issue in Google Merchant Center account. Now let's move to our app Wixpa Google Shopping feed, and this issue is also here. And to resolve this issue, you can take help from ChatGPT. You can see I have given a command here, and then you have to follow the provided guidelines. Make sure to provide an accurate business address, contact details, and return policy, as Google requires you to show an identifiable and legitimate business details. Now let me visit my online store. And make sure you set these pages correctly, like contact us page. You can see I have provided my details here. You can also provide live chat support option. Next, you need to avoid exaggerated claims like best price or limited time offer unless they are accurate and verifiable. And then make sure you provide title and description clearly, pricing and availability. GTINs also provide a huge role. Then make sure you verify your website. All these important points are mentioned here, and make sure you follow these guidelines properly. Once you provide all the details correctly, you have to click on View Fix. Here you have to click on I disagree with the issue. After that, your request will be submitted. You can also contact their support by clicking here. So this is how you can resolve your misrepresentation issue in Google Merchant Center account. Likewise, you can resolve your other issues accordingly. Stay tuned with us for more information. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app Wixpa Google Shopping feed. And thank you for watching this video.